Guy now or a glass in Twene Jonas or something. That guy is a villager, man. I'm telling you. Me living abroad, in New Jersey. Me come New York all the time. Who homeless for New Yorker? Homeless. Homeless for New Yorker. Who is soon homeless. Now that glass in Juju is for the owners how we know. Even white people in New York, they are running from there. They can't pay the bills. What I say? So on homeless for no mau, on homeless for more break, a bit wookra. But I just a classic. Maybe if you feel things, somebody way, I hope you know could do this. Say you go walk in New York and be showing a glass in Kwan. There are people to guy now or a glass in Twene Jonas or something. That guy is a villager, man. I'm telling you. Me living abroad, in New Jersey. Me come New York all the time. Who homeless for New Yorker? Homeless. Homeless for New Yorker. Who is soon homeless. Now that glass in Kwana, Juju is for the owners how we know. Even white people in New York, they are running from there. They can't pay the bills. What I say? So on homeless for no mau, on homeless for more break, a bit wookra. But I just a classic. Maybe if you feel things, somebody way, I hope you know could do this. Say you go walk in New York and be showing a glass in Kwan. There are people gather people to the follow up. New York. Only rich people live there. Rich people. As Mote Bronson, Ghana for Mote Bronson. Nipa bear 5. No this a dank to him. What's here? The guy always be living in hotels. What's here? Oh, trying to die to be homeless. But views now, YouTube now, then start paying. I not start here then, or they call rent a dynasty animal. But first, the guy was homeless. He was homeless because it's not easy to afford a apartment in New York. I was heaven. That place is hell. I'm not making sure. New York is a hell. Obi about ten abuchi park. I say, oh, we do my wine. What do you only car or Sikafu na mutimi drive on New York? This is not a life. Oh, Ghana, oh, Africa is a paradise. Africa is a paradise. Oh, there. You mean on Brunei, I on nice. But was I what? Now, what Ghana no, even you. When you be the open, the Alpebia now, yeah, stress beyond now. So, when New York is straight, New York and Cabaresa, we do we do 24 hours. I get you now. Be the open, the Alpebia now, yeah, stress beyond now. So, when New York is straight, New York and Cabaresa, we do we do 24 hours. I get you now. Now, be some couple people on my worry. Or you crown who know. Oh, Cono, who you for 1 week, no, and for probably dadamo, a glass and quan, I heaven, maybe not, or ye president. Africa is paradise. I Uko East Legon, before they live in the East Legon, they know the truth. And Africa is paradise. Guy now or a glass in Twene Jonas or Legon, before they live in the East Legon, they know the truth. And Africa is paradise. Guy now or a glass in Twene Jonas or something. That guy is a village.
Yeah, me say, Papa ni be worry na fe na mo born in Samanane. Papa never worry enough for the more catch say, or the first president who was able to do free education for the whole Ghanaians. Papa never worry enough catch say, or a tea could be a friend NAPCO. My friends are unemployment graduate people. Papa never one more kind of fast catch them, say. One the president and no train your phone. Or no, not Bemuna who did not them no one country. Papa never one more catch them, say. Ku for da ba mu na wotimi tena kwa mu ton no ma na ye du abaye bi ama na abaye bi ama Oh, Ghana for. This is the kind of people you are. This is the kind of people you are. But the name of your secretary. You don't come together as a journalist. You don't come together as a bloggers. You don't come together as a citizens. And when I catch them, some way bad citizens. You're famuchi chilukro. More bad citizens. You're famuchi chilukro. Citizens are muchi chilukro. Man, this is a dear time and sanama video. And just you can't someone go so and sanama follow ye. And just you go be and sanama me a star. Men pesta biayo. Masa me bomb bro. Chale me a serious show. Chale, I don't depend on MPP and issue. Chale, I know where I came from. Oh. I know where I start life from. Me catch on me confirm the yogurt. I'll never stop saying this. I know the Ghana I belong to, no. Obi mo obi o. Obi a person kunya, including our every parliament. Every court to them. Every handful, every Kufaru is different to me, and you people are disgracing him as somebody you never hear in Ghana. Mu kuru fi se obi amonte mu ne no ma pa na se mu ni suma da wo Ghana. Hey, ene ka wudi na tema wa yedi. Hello, ya nya o hwe na na do de wudi na tema obi antwechew. National security kura yedi. What do you say? Yeah, Mr. Papa, when you say Mra, because of say why Mra nimni, why lawyer Cassia, Mra, and I believe it to me, the Jagana for, or my Ghana for Kennedy. Say, Mra Dianado, a corner who you remove you, and I want to know who you remove you. A teacher for now who you remove you, not go remove you, comparison who be no Ghana for what control you. Propaganda ne do. Them Twene ne do. Yan wudu fini enemy yo. Yan sa no Ghana for ya yo. Enti emra. Na emra ne de ba boy yan for ma wo twene enwi. Yan nua ma wo so mu ko school free. Enyanka ne nwisia mo bra wa for na me kasa ma wo mu no. Wo mu tina ma ba social media. I don't deserve to disgrace myself or to talk on social media. To insult anybody, I'm nobody to nobody. But I care for your good things, your good dream. And Ghanaians are not buying your good dream. So which I was not even like those people, they call themselves graduates. But I care what you're doing. Ghana ni railways in Yajimo. Journalists be at me, I can't want them though. Omo faso kotofo suntaleshe. Womu jamu ho ekoba journalist bi antina kotan radio station anka wasam but atem de die etimi tena woye atem de die etimi damne ho blogger and the Ghana journalists na mo ye blogger and the bloggers no kura ye ko manim e wo followers senema because of that you guys are so disappointed to the country. Bloggers no wo followers because ye di atem. So journalists are Ghana nyina started in the day. Have pay followers. You are ashamed of your qualification. You are ashamed of your so-called the name you put in yourself, journalists. And the journalists be to say smart. And it was what journalists do and no be broke or a broker. Don't tell me say Captain Smart.